Are we live again? Um, we back? We back? I guess. Yes, okay, we are live. Oh, things are not working for me. It will be a little crash with the stream, but I think we're back. Um, okay, cool. So I guess we're back now. Yes, sir. Okay, so we got front run on this entry. Oh, it didn't hit. That one's right. So we got front run on this one. We took it on top step. So we are 1k up for the day. That's cool. And then we got our private trading capital, and that's we didn't get filled, but hold up. Let's see. It's gonna be live for an hour or something like that. Okay. Okay, so we are live, I guess. A little crash just now, but we back. pip. Four pips from profit, bro. Yo, Antoine. See, I did it. I ended up did like taking it on top step, so that's cool. It didn't got filled on private capital, so it is what it is. But it's very unfortunate. You take all the losers, but you don't take the winners. Get front run on the winners. But it is what it is, right? How are you, Antonius? How are you doing? Look, I got front run. 4 pips on a take profit. Just didn't hit it. But it's still going. It's from yesterday night. And down here. All the way up to there. But it's still gonna hit, I think. Till I'll just leave it on. So took the profits. So yesterday we lost 1k. Today we made 1k back, so break even for the week. I think Mondays are my worst day, so might just end up stop trading on Monday. Like, not trading Monday. I think we'll have an improvement on my P&L over time. And this is my private capital. Didn't trade it yesterday. Didn't like the market. So I had my plan. Want to get filled on this level right here. Or this one. Ended up going for the little bit greedier one. And then it took this 3-minute level up here, which I think is really weird. So we might end up, yeah, or test this range. Like this, and it's basically also a hit for this level right here. But it's weird. Getting front run from all sides. Yeah, this is what it is. Don't really have any exciting trades at the moment though. So I'm not gonna take this entry anymore. We missed the trade, so that's just unfortunate. So first entry would be right here. And that's it. So just gonna be chilling, I guess. So I can take a look at NQ. I just would take this. .29. $300. But Antoine, how are you doing? How's life? How is life? I'm only gonna be live streaming for like an hour or something like that. I don't really have time today. Not too much time today, but I think I'm gonna be on for like half an hour from now. Go take a shower and then I have an appointment, so. And it is what it is. Very aggressive to the upside. Maybe that's why we went for something a little bit higher. It's just... doesn't really make sense though. And chess for the win, yeah, 100%. Right. This is your favorite one, right? I couldn't reach. Oh, it was the 5 minute, I think. Wasn't. Okay, got front run on the 5, or the 5 minute was front run as well, though. So wouldn't have been an entry anyway. Savannah, yeah, man, it's your favorite, right? It's your music. Are you working from home today? Very curious to see what we are hitting. At this point, do we have 15 minutes? I see, like Nasdaq is holding 15-minute levels sometimes. And you got some sort of 15-minute range up here, so. Yeah. Aha. Yes, we're from Nevada is better. Nevada. Let's see if it's in here. I got the list with. Hold on. Let's see if I can find it though. Hold on, I can't find it. Especially for you, okay? Nevada and CS. Fan-made copyright. Copyrighted music. Oh, but it's copyrighted. So I cannot use it for the stream. Okay. Sorry, man. It's copyrighted. I know it's non-copyright sounds or sounds, but it's still copyrighted. Like, I don't know why. Yeah, it was a mistake that I made. I was like, let's put on NCS because it's non-copyrighted, but It was. So yeah, unfortunate. Do you even have an hourly type of range? Nah. I think you're looking at something like this. Polarity, and I'm moving through as polarity, maybe. I think then you pull for somewhere lower in range, or you move straight through. It's one of the two. But it's only time is gonna tell if you're gonna move through. It's 2 minutes waiting for this candle, and then the next one is gonna. That's the next ladder point to move through, or you're gonna gain something downwards. Hard close 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. We didn't hard close 5 minutes yet, so. Brazza. Made some money already, of course, so we don't really have to trade. So I'm just gonna take some safe positions if we do. Yeah, there's nothing here for the systematic trading either, so it is what it is. It is 4 o'clock though. Gotta be trading for, I think, till 1:30, so half an hour from now, and then I'm gonna head out. Especially if you don't have any trades. I think you can hold something like this. It is 15. Can we gain 5 at least? Or I think it's 15. We can. But how's everyone doing? Having a good day? We got some tested level. Didn't we hit something like this? Yeah, okay. And tested 3. Didn't see this. Wow. Then we might have an entry for just a scalp if we get gain a 5 minute look. This is perfect. So if we gain a 5 or 3 minute polarity, we might have a good entry. And we can just take a nice scalp. Going back in time. We don't, so if you gain something like this, we could have taken. Oh, we don't. We didn't get back to some level in here, so gotta gain this at least. And it's gonna be 15 hourly. Okay. 4 hour closed. That's cool. What is a 3 minute protect though? Like the break off the range. Do you have a ladder? This already tested. So somewhere down here, of course, and then you were on this. Just chilling, taking some trades, enjoying not the weekend, the weekend's past. Did you have a good weekend? How was your weekend, Antoine? You went to one way. Fun, man. Mine is on first, right? So the 1 minute, and you already took that out, so. You went kite surfing, nice. How did you enjoy? Kite surfing is so cool, man. Like one day, no, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do it. I think I would do it when I get the opportunity, but it was not windy enough. Very sad, but it's cool. Yep. It's not windy enough in the Netherlands. How does that work? Brazza. How's your weekend? Yeah, it was good. Thanks. It was a good weekend. It was a good weekend. I just did some back testing, trading, working on my strategies, studying, and then on Sunday I went to my family, or like my girlfriend's house. Not my family, their family. So yeah, just relaxed weekend. Made it a little bit late last night, so I'm so tired, bro. It's crazy. If we get below this, we can enter on it, but I'm more so looking at closing this in accumulation, so we can get in a little bit higher. Let's see what the stop will be. It's 22, so that will be $50 if I'm correct. This is 50, so then you can take hold up, my brain. So I'm about six lots if we get down here, and if we create this as accumulation, we get below it. We can also 6, I think is best. Maybe a little bit more, but yeah, I saw your message around 4 AM. I stayed up way too late, bro. It ended up being 4 AM, I think. Yeah. Maybe 21, 26, so yeah. 6 micro is just enough. Not an accumulation, I think. Nope. We're trying to hold this actually. We need 1 minute to break the top, but we don't have 1 minute left, so you're gonna be down here at least. I think that would be a nice target as well. So, but it would be like a very small trade. Very small trade. So realistically, I think you're gonna go past this, or you 3-minute reverse, so you get down here. So that's possible. 31. It's not like big enough of a trade. I think it's possible that it's gonna consolidate here. We create some sort of 5-minute accumulative candle. Hold on, I'm gonna call my methods. Yo. Yo, ik hoor je niet hoor.
Niet?
Oh, yeah, I hear you. Okay, yo. I'm streaming. Yeah. I barely hear you though.
Alright.
Okay, it's better.
I'm watching your stream now. So.
Okay.
Cool. Yeah, I think you didn't send a... Oh, well, you did. Oh, it was You started a bit later than normally.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wanna do my analysis now before I go streaming, and then just stick to my analysis.
Oh yeah.
It's helping me a little bit more. How's
Also trading Nasdaq like me. Cool.
is it how's training going today?
Yeah, a bit boring for me.
Hmm.
I didn't took any trades. I wanted to take this 30 seconds right here at 7:17, and then it was still a 3-minute rejection target when I saw this. So this was around 45, 48 o'clock our time. But then new 3 minutes created, so I took it off because then it wasn't really my plan
Hmm.
anymore. But it still hit and went. So it's going right now, basically.
It's just waiting.
So let's see my other strategy, and
Oh
is
yeah.
of course based on the orb. So I think will take the 15-minute orb in a bit on the ES. So we'll see how that will go.
Because it's the one with the volume and stuff, or it's the
No,
orb
it's
is with the
the
opening candle and then the high and low,
yeah, the
right?
opening candle, yeah, the
Yeah.
opening range breakouts.
Oh yeah. That's funny how you can make all these strategies with Cotton's trading science.
Yeah.
I made a little bit of money today as well with the backtested strategy. So
Yeah, I saw you were watching a lot at XAU, like that's the gold CFD, like.
Mhm.
Am I correct? Like the CFD version of gold, is that?
I think so, yeah. But
Are you using that because you're trading on forex prop firms or?
yeah,
Okay, cool.
I don't. So they don't support like gold, so it's XAU, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's basically the same, but then CFD or futures.
Yes, but it works. So,
Yeah. Cool.
but I don't know if you saw my video, the update about the private capital, like trading the backtest strategy on private capital, and then the outcome of that.
Saw something. Yeah. Let's see. It was the one you uploaded yesterday.
I think so, yeah. But I never traded gold or stocks with private capital.
Yeah, and you were gapped in the weekend gap.
Yeah, so I didn't realize I couldn't hold. Yeah. So that was minus half of the account.
Yeah.
Minus 60%, and then I got a losing streak yesterday, or 3 losses, or two losses, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 2 losses yesterday, and then I got front run on 4 wins. So I could have been like back, but I got front run on all of them. So 2 I missed and 2 I got front run on. So it actually hit my entry, but then pulled and didn't get filled. So it's a little bit unfortunate.
Let's see. Okay. Clicking on already. Preparations for the orb. What is the losses?
You always struggle to trade on Monday as well?
Monday.
Yeah, I don't like Mondays.
Nah, when you're backtesting a lot of different strategies, you will learn that some strategies will play better out on some days, and other strategies. So it's depending on your trading style. For me, Monday is my best day, but I have totally different trading style than you.
Yeah. I think I want to backtest it if Mondays are just like, you just want to backtest days as well. When I think when I use this strategy for long enough, I think data will show which days you should trade and shouldn't with the strategy. How is the volume profile strategy going?
Yeah, I'm not currently not doing a lot with it.
Mm.
I'm still using it basically with cotton science, but not really backtesting it.
Okay.
Yeah, on the other hand, I'll sometimes think, yeah, okay, I have already a lot of strategies running, so yeah, why would I have another one running?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, interactive, micro.
I'm thinking about testing multiple TPs, so opening 4 positions and then like 1 TP for 1 hour. Like I'm trading 1 hour now, so you're fully dependent on the win, like on the your winning percentage, your win rate. So I wanna backtest multiple TPs. So let's say opening 4 positions and then 1 trade, taking 1 hour and then putting it break even. And then you have a 2 hour position, a 4 hour position, and an 8 hour position. But closing all of them break even once you hit TP1. Wanna backtest how that would go for my strategy. So let's say for today, or for the past days, I think yesterday, if we would have taken some sort of level down in the range on gold, and if we would have put it break even after entering, but let it run, I would have had a 17 or 15 hour total. Well, I'm sorry, so tired I can't explain.
One, 6. Order failed. Nice. Like one.
Order failed.
Shit, even kijken naar.
I'm gonna have an entry on this level.
Wat is mijn stop loss? 5, 6 is goed. Take profit. 7, 11.
Hold on.
Cool. I can leave this now off. Go back to NQ. And basically see that this all filled. Let's see, this can be gone, this can be gone, this can be gone, this can be gone, let's go, this can go way down. Okay, cool. currently. Life of a full-time trader is so boring.
It depends on what you do. I think it can be boring, yeah. But I'm enjoying the backtesting and streaming now, so if you're like only focusing on trading, it's freaking boring, yeah.
30 seconds. Like this or like this one.
Ah, no, I'm not getting front end, am I?
Yeah, I think it can go a little bit deeper even, so I would not worry about that.
No, I think so as well. So take profit. Nice.
Where did you hit TP on? Gold?
On gold, yeah. Price capital.
Did you get the entry on this? You were on polarity, right?
Yeah, but I didn't get filled. Front run me with 0.00%. This is happening too often to me these days.
Yeah.
It's
Me as
literally
well.
every single day I get front runed on at least 1 or 2 trades. I think it still can hit, but it will be a little bit later. Like it's gonna take some time. And if it goes, then it goes now. Literally 0.00%.
Yeah, if I would get paid every time I get front run, I would be a lot richer than I'm right now.
I
Making
would be a
money trading.
millionaire, bro. For real. Did you take an entry?
No.
No? I didn't hear you. Are you still there? Can't hear you anymore.
Oh shit, didn't you hear me? Oh,
Yo. You're
okay,
back.
I was on the 32nd at 75.1.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that was a front side, so yeah, I thought maybe.
I think you can get below this one more time, but it's yeah, or we don't. By the way.
This is like a 1 minute polarity, so at 3.
Yeah. Sometimes I really think it's top step as well, though. Like, it's happening
Take
so
a
often.
look at the price action of Top Step right now. Go to the 4 hour and take a look where we are, and then go to like trading view and take a look at where we are there on the daily.
On the 4 hour or on the daily?
Yeah, it doesn't really matter 4 hour daily. Just zoom out and take a look at the higher time frame picture.
On Nasdaq.
Yeah, ES, Nasdaq, it's on all of those assets.
Looks same to me. But this is another broker. Could this mean NQ1?
Sorry?
Just NQ1.
Yeah, NQ1.
NQ. We're lower.
On Top Step you're way lower.
Yeah.
Way.
Like we're almost at the
It's on more
this range.
It's on most of the brokers, I think.
Yeah.
But
like 0.30% from this higher range.
you
on
know
Top
what's
Step.
the reason
Oh.
behind it? I think because it happens every time when there's a gap, a weekend gap, and on Top Step it just opens below the previous day market close.
It's like
And you when you look at the chart on TradingView, you see a big gap.
it's 0.80% off with the NQ1.
Yeah.
0.80%. That's crazy. This is fusion. It looks the same, so but yeah, that's crazy. Okay, interesting. It is what it is, I guess. You didn't get filled on the trade as well, or?
No, I didn't.
No, okay. You cannot even measure, bro.
In such a trending market like this, you should just, whenever you break a value, you should just market entry. If I did this instantly after market open, I would have already made 5 R's away.
Yeah.
Those days are just...
It's
like you can make Cotton's material very complex, but if you just use valleys and peaks and break levels,
Yeah, then
and higher time frame targets, and you just see, okay,
I think
I took out this break level, I'm gonna market entry now, put my stop loss below the previous low, you can be pretty profitable. You don't need like all the masters and controllers or polarity, all those things, you don't need it. If you only use break levels and valleys and peaks, I think you could already make a lot of money.
yeah, I think you can if you get to butterfly effect, I think then you can be profitable already.
Yeah.
Just with everything you're doing before butterfly.
Mm.
Or like that's I started making money in butterfly, not in blueprint. I mean.
Yeah. I started making money. I didn't even make money when level 6 came out. I watched all of that, but I didn't even make money, and then I made it simpler for myself. Then back then there was some guy in the community, he was called Jude, and that guy just said you don't need everything, you just need a few concepts and have to make your own strategy out of it. And when I did that, that's just when it flipped for me.
It's also funny because we're learning the same stuff, but you're trading so differently from how I am.
Yeah. You're basically more some kind of polarity breakout and a reversal trader. I'm more of a trend trader.
Yeah, scalper.
This is almost at the 5 minutes. It's basically a bit of a final thing to hold in this range, so let's see.
I'm curious to see if we've hit it's 3 minutes on other brokers. Oh, I can't. Okay.
I think we've just hit the...
It was the 15 week. No, we didn't. But we will come back here someday and have a bounce of this level. It is gonna bounce one day, but I don't know if it's gonna be soon enough.
The only thing I hate about Top Step is that I can't use my replay tool. I have to swipe all the way back to see what is getting hit. Hours and hours of swiping for me.
For real. Or if you watch back the live stream, I'm just like, yeah, you're just like your fingers gonna hurt because you're swiping so much.
30 seconds here.
Yeah, bro. I gotta go.
Yeah, you're done for the day.
Yeah, I think we're gonna leave this one. I'm gonna like check it out on my phone sometime, but I'm done. And I don't have entries ready for the systematic trading either, so I don't really have anything to trade at the moment except for this level, and I got front run, so
okay.
So that's it.
5 minutes.
I want to check one thing.
Yeah, I'll hurry for. Maybe I'll speak to you this evening or something like that.
Yeah, maybe we'll. Yeah, we'll keep contact and then I will speak to you later.
Yeah, cool. See you.
Okay, see you, man. Thanks for joining. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. It was a short stream, but thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.